Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Colin Farrow Designs. Thanks for joining me again. Getting to the next level with my laser work and that. Decided I'll put some extraction in to take over those horrible fumes, because at the moment I'm currently starting to do leather, and as you all know, leather comes with a horrible sort of a smell, and yeah, I'm just trying to get it out of my workshop. It will be good. So I got me a 10 meter length of 100mm diameter, which you would call 4-inch ducting with an inline exhaust fan. Looks good. So I've been installing the pipe. Well, it isn't too much of a mission. You can see I'm obviously following all the health and safety rules there, using a ladder and climbing up and down there like a clown. But yeah, it wasn't too difficult to do. I think the total job took me maybe like 20 minutes to mount the fan, run the ducting, and so far, yeah, I'm very happy with the results. I just let it go into my second garage out of my workshop. It's basically gone through the window, and yeah, I must say, whenever I walk back in the shop again now, I don't get that horrible smell. I used to, I still do. I use fans. I've got 2 big fans blowing, which works well in the summer, but yeah, we've got a bit of a cold winter at the moment, so yeah, not so good with the fans on. That's why I went with the extraction. Thanks everybody, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Ciao.